Hello guys, welcome back to Jimmy W's channel, and today I got some LMP. I got how much mils? 600 mils of LMP right here, and I am going to be chugging. So it's a drink I've had before. I really enjoyed it, and I just get my hand on some more. So I don't have much time to record because my charger's running low, but that'll be okay. I had a lovely day today, been eating chicken and a great day with Chuck. No work today. But we're about to be chugging, so let the chuggage begin. Okay, so let's get this over with. Oh shit, that's gonna explode, that's gonna. Shit. That almost exploded, guys. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Oh my. That's a lot of fizz, guys. Oh, hold on. This isn't like crazy, right? 600 mils. Okay, I'm just gonna have a wee little taste. Oh, it's hair in it. Oh, yuck. Okay. Oh my, that tastes a lot sweet. Sweeter than I remember. Alright, let's chug. Ow. My throat. Barely even got 100 mils just then. Alright. Oh my god. I didn't actually get that much. Oh shit. I'm already feeling bloated, I haven't even done half yet. Okay, hold on. Oh my god! Okay. The bloatation is really getting real, guys. Hold on, guys, I'm just currently on my computer, I'm just gonna go on my channel. Cause, oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. Okay, what can I play? Okay, I'll play this. My sound's not working, hold on. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Right, Jimmy. Oh, I'm in City's camp, by the way. That is why. Might make a Roblox video, but I don't know. Okay, anyway. Stop getting distracted. Okay. Oh my gosh, I just felt lightheaded. I just felt lightheaded. Hold on. I can try this again. Oh. Shit! That one was explosive. Oh my god. I actually forgot how good this was. I also forgot how good beverages is. Who knows what else good lemony stuff goes into the taste of LMP? Well, we do, but we're not blabbing. What we can tell you is that LMP is the classic drink that's been refreshing and zealous since ages ago, when some bright spark in Pyroa first created, bottled, and whacked the label on. LMP, drink it when you're thirsty, and maybe right now. Oh, since 1908. Okay, so it's quite old. Okay. Oh shit. Emo's breath. Guys. Oh. I'm gonna call this chug a bit of a fail. Alright, well. Right, so I failed, guys. I only got a little bit of it. Still a lot left, but couldn't finish it. I'm gonna go put this in the fridge, give it to someone else. I am in a lot of pain. Oh my god, I feel so blessed, guys, but Chuck's getting all his chugs uploaded right now. Not right now, but oh shit! Oh, well, Chuck currently he's editing and uploading all the old chugs me and him did, and some of them are just him. He's editing, uploading them all. Oh my god! But yeah, hopefully you guys go off to Chuck's channel. Oh my god, I watched it all up. I'll let you go on Chuck's channel right now and I'll show you guys. It's called Chuck Lavington. There it is. So, I'm currently on Chuck's channel. His channel name is Chuck Lavington, and Chuck Lavington 3147. His description is, "Hi, I'm Chuck. I joined YouTube back in August 2021, but sadly my channel..." Hold on, I'll go to his description. Hi, I'm Chuck. I joined YouTube back in August 2021, but sadly my channel got hacked and deleted, but I'm back and ready to make more content. So yeah, his channel did get hacked and deleted. All his videos here, so he made a welcome to my new channel video 9 months ago. We did a hangout together. That was pretty cool. Yeah, we're doing a noob map. I don't even know if that's ever gonna get finished. Trying vanilla Coca-Cola. Trying Worldcraft Ground Premium. Me and him did some chugs. I'm not sure what that is. Oh yeah, I remember what that is. More chugs. Yeah. So we've done a lot of quite a few videos on here, 18 vids. So go check it out. We've got some really nice chugs on here, some good reviews, and yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. And remember, gotta go try this, guys. This is a really good drink. If you guys have never seen this before, check it out. LMP. It should be in some shops near you. If you can't, you can get it online. And yeah, remember, don't forget to try this. But yeah, anyways, stay chuggable. See you guys.